want to create an awesome landing page for your business? In this video, I will share with you how you can create an awesome landing page for your business. In the last video, I have already mentioned what are the 10 strategies you should implement in your business so that you can grow your business to 10x. One of those strategy was creating a good landing page and getting all those email IDs of your customers. So let's begin. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's start. In my last video also, I have mentioned that currently I am using ConvertKit as a email marketing software. You can use MailChimp, GetResponse, and there are many more. But ConvertKit, what I learned from my mentor, is the best email marketing software because in this software the automation possible, though for the beginners automation would be a little overwhelming, but when you will understand the software more and more, the automation possible in ConvertKit is very much useful. So let's start with ConvertKit. I have mentioned a link in the description, so by clicking that link you can directly go to ConvertKit page. You can see I will just create a sign up to creating a landing page totally end to end. I will do it for you. So here you will click sign up. So when you press sign up, there you will get two options. If you are already using some email marketing, then from that you can press that yes, I am moving from another tool, and you just give it to, like, you can upload your CSV folder file as your previous contact list, or you can directly transfer also. But for this video, I will be sharing that I'll be considering that you are a new user, and so I will just click that no, I'm just starting with email. Will use this help to landing pages? Yes. So if you have website, you can create yes, and then which platform do you use for your website? So mostly for website also you will be using WordPress, so mention that. If you use separate platform, you can mention that. So then who are you as a creator? So you can mention blogger, chefs, coach, designer, educator, filmmaker, influencer. So there are many options. So YouTuber also is there. So as per your description, accurate description, you can create that what type of creator you are. So so I will just mention that as a YouTuber. Continue. So email address I am giving. So now I got in the page there it's a total brand new account I have created just for creating this video. So now I'll go to the landing pages and form. So for the first 100 subscriber, you need not to pay anything if you don't want this automation features. As you can see that automation is not active in the free version. So in my main account, I have like what I use for my business. There I use all the thing. So in this, I'll just show the basic thing like to start with, and then as you get more confidence using this tool, you can upgrade it anytime. I think upgradation charge is also not much, $29 if I am not wrong. And for the, like, if you want to see, just feel how the automation feature can be helpful, you can just start your free trial. It's 30 days, I think. Yes, so it's 14-day free trial is there, and after that you will be charged as $29 per month. So it's approximately 2,100 2,200 rupees. So now in the landing page and forms, there are two options, landing pages and forms. So what are the difference between landing page and form? So landing page is if you want to create a kind of alternate to your website, like if you don't have website, and to begin with, like creating a website, it will take at least some investment, like you have to book your domain, you have to book your hosting. I mean, that hosting is a recurring cost, like either monthly or yearly charges that you have to bear. Then you have to learn how to create your website. Most probably I will also show you in future that how to create a website. It's not very difficult, but still you need some investment. So landing page you need when you don't have a website, or even if you have a website, but the purpose of website and landing page is different. Landing page is a very simple page where you want your customer to land up, and just you will give some giveaway so that they can give their email ID, their contact number, their name to you. So that's a landing page. And what is form? So mostly form kind of a only like mostly you use opt-in form in your website or in your sales page, or you have already a web page. There you can integrate those forms. So in the form there will not be much option, only that will be only name, email ID and phone number or whatever information you want from your visitor, that will be there. But in a landing page you can create more, like you can give some pictures, you can give some videos, you can put some links, like you can just I will show you my landing page. So that's the landing page. That's my landing page for my masterclass, 90 minutes masterclass. So you can see that you can give in the landing page, you can give a title, you can give the next like whatever a timer, you can give link to your private Facebook group or private WhatsApp group if you have any. You can put some videos like whatever, like you want to attract them with some innovative ideas, you can put that. Then you can obviously that opt-in form, that's the most important thing. So that will be there. And apart from that, you can give some customer feedback also. You can put that also that I have put. So any form of feedback, like in form of word, like you can take the screenshot and put it there as a picture. You can integrate the videos also, you can upload that in YouTube and then you can put that here. So all those things is possible in landing page. So let's create a landing page for you. So here you can see that there are many format, many templates. So anything like what landing page you want to create, as per that you can check. Like for webinar, so I have created a template for like landing page for my webinar. So I have selected a option. So if you want to suppose you are selling some product and you want to create you have created a ebook, and then so I have previously I have created a ebook where I have given tips how you can manage time along with your kids so that you can handle your business or you can handle your jobs better. So there I use this template where you can show the picture of the document and you can collect the information. So there are many format, you can check which format you want. So suppose you are selling some product, again I'll be taking example that suppose you are selling a cake, you are owning a cake shop. So I'll be giving example. So suppose I'm choosing this. Okay, so now you can edit the whole page as you like. So suppose this landing page you can put that cake baking process. This is your landing page. So here suppose you have created a ebook on how to bake cake, or suppose what is your most selling, like best selling cake, I would say. So for that you can give the recipe for that cake, or you can give some good pictures of your cakes and how your customers feel about after like all those customer review. Along with that you can give the recipe. So you can create a ebook and you can upload that ebook. So from here you can replace that picture. So now I don't have any picture, so you can download a picture from Unsplash, and so if I search for cakes, so there you can get so many yummy looking cakes. So suppose you are I liked this photo, so I have given this photo. So any picture you like, or you have your own cake picture, that also, that will be even better. So you can give that, and then there you can mention that download the recipe for our best-selling cakes. And then here you can mention that whatever you want to convey, whatever message you want to convey, and then you here you actually add some thing like email address is also already mentioned. You can add first name, you can add mobile number, and then that's okay. So that will be there. Then here some process is given. Here you can mention your customer feedback also. So in instead of this there they have given some journey. So you have you can share your journey to this business. That also you can share. Your customer would love to know how you start, how did you start your business, what are the challenges you faced, how you can overcome, what how customer helped you to overcome, anything, any journey you can share with your customer. They will be actually more connected with you. So that also you can mention. You can actually you can add any yes, so here you can edit anything, any part you can edit, and then I think you can add anything, like you can create countdown timer, you can mention, you can add some video what I was referring, you can add some product list also. From these also you can actually create your like you can advertise, you can do marketing for some of your new product, or some of your best product, or whatever product you want to sell to customer, you can show to them. So suppose this, so I am again adding some cookies, suppose. So suppose you want to give that cookies photo, and then you can actually create a button, and here you can, if you have some online link to buy your product, you can mention that. Here you can mention buy now, or you can mention order now, and any link, like you can even mention your WhatsApp chat link also, so that if they click there, they can directly go to your WhatsApp chat, and they can directly talk to you, they can directly place order to you through WhatsApp also. So it's so useful. Now you can understand how powerful this is. And if you collect the database in this format, in future also, whenever you need any sales, you can send them a mail about some, you can give some discount, you can so whatever, that's a so powerful thing. I mean, creating a landing page for your business, and it will help you to boost your sales. I have mentioned 10x, it can be 20x also. So now I think you can also understand what the magic you can create with that landing page. So you can play with that. I think that's very good I mean, email marketing software. And then finally you can preview also, like this is the till now I have created. So this is, I just wanted to understand that what you can do with that. And then again you can create a thank you page also. So in the thank you page, now you can, so thank you so much, and then Here again you can mention anything you want after they put their email ID, anything you want them to know, and then you can actually so you can create a button here, full button, and you can mention download the PDF copy now. So you can just upload your PDF copy, whatever PDF ebook you want to give. You can give it to your you can save it in your Google Drive, and you can put the Google Drive link here, so that whenever they will click this button, they will go to your Google Drive and they can download it. And then before going further, you just check settings. So in general, you can just redirect to the thank you page. Domain name, you can you can mention your domain or leave it as it is. Incentive, auto confirm new subs so send. Okay, so this is an incentive mail you can create also. So once your they will put their email ID, you can create a email also, either like confirmation of subscription, or you can mention get your PDF copy now in like through email also. So that will be good, because once they will click that email ID, so further whenever you will send an email to them, the chances of landing up in that email ID in their spam folder will reduce. So the more they will interact with you as a customer, the more actually they will get more value. I mean, whenever you want to add some value, and if they can't reach that email, it will be a loss to you and it will be a loss to them also. So but remember, through this email marketing, don't always pitch your product. I mean, just try to give more and more value. So actually one of my mentor, Blair Singer, he's the top notch sales trainer. He said that whenever you actually are doing all those email marketing, just remember you have to do value and then pitch. So at least three email you send them about some value, giving some value, whatever regarding your product, regarding how they can choose better. Suppose you are making jewelry, or you are selling some dress materials, whatever is your product, or suppose you are selling some service, and suppose you are teaching something, suppose you are teaching Excel, or you are teaching PowerPoint presentation. So just give them some value, how regarding not only your product but as a whole, like while presentation, what are the things they have to remember, or maybe Excel, the shortcut tips of Excel. So whatever is not there in your program, in your coaching, like the study material, you have to give additional value. So whatever is like you are selling a product, you are selling a service, you are a coach or a consultant, give value to your customer, and then maybe in the third mail or fourth mail, you pitch for your product or service or whatever you want to offer them. So in that way, I think that will be a win-win for your customer and for you also. So there actually you have to save and publish, and you can mention that share link. Here directly you can share with your Facebook, or you can directly copy that link and you can paste in your before broadcast. You just go to the subscriber list. Yeah, so when you go to subscriber list, create a tag. So you can create whatever landing page you have created, you can create the same name and create a tag. You can manually add also, like if you have already some email ID which you want to enroll in your ConvertKit like a total subscriber list, you can manually add also. Like not manually, you can, if it is like if it is in the form of Excel or CSV file, you can directly import. So create a tag. So tag name, here you can mention, suppose I have created cake baking procedure list. You can create that list, and so that was like in which list you want to add your subscriber. So you can add a single subscriber, you can import a CSV file or import for another provider, which I was mentioning. Like if you are already using some provider, you can import that. So either it is MailChimp, Drip, However, whatever it is, you can mention that, and then you can import your thing. So you can directly create a tag also. So I have already created some tags, like suppose cake baking procedure list. So that is the tag. It will be okay. So now here you can see that cake baking procedure list is like it is showing there. So now you can send a mail to all your cake baking procedure list. I mean all the people registered there. So you can create a new broadcast. You can mention here subject. What is the subject line? You can mention here suppose hi, and then you can add some personalization. So you can mention the name. So whatever name they will mention in that form, you can add, like they will receive a personalized email ID, like hi Pooja, hi Prathama. So whatever name they will mention, your email ID will go to them by their name, and it generally creates a magic. Like they will feel that you actually are writing those emails to them, though you are writing that, but you are not writing to everyone. So everyone will feel that that's a personalization touch. So, and then whatever you want to mention, you can write, and then you can continue, you can preview that. You can create the subject line also, like hey. So again, this same name you can copy. What's up? Or here is your PDF copy. And then you can mention it anything here, and then you can continue. You can again look it, like preview it, and then you can send. So it will go to all your subscriber at the same time. So that's the magic of having a email marketing tool and properly using it. So hope this video will be helpful for you. But again, remember, just watching it will not help you. So you have to implement it. So just if you have watched it till now, that means you really need that landing page. So do not watch it and stop it here. You just try applying like all those procedure I have mentioned. Whenever you feel that you are you get stuck, you can again watch this video maybe 2, 3, 4 times if you need that, and you can create a beautiful landing page as per your requirement. So hope this video will be helpful to you, and with this I'm taking your permission to say bye bye. See you.